Every node is capable of performing actions, and there are three methods we can use to do so. One method would be simply to run the action. Another one would be adding a key to the action, which would allow us to reference it. And the third method would be a completion handler, which will be executed as soon as the action is completed, as the name suggests. SpriteKit supplies us with many different actions of the SKAction class that allow us to manipulate nodes. So for example, we can scale, move, animate, or remove them. Actions can either be direct, meaning the action will be executed during the next update, or it will be executed during the period of certain time intervals, which we can set, of course. In this case, the action would be executed using multiple frames until it is completed. There are also three ways of creating actions that contain actions as their children. A sequence action, for example, runs all of the children's actions after one another, meaning as soon as one action is completed, the next action gets executed. A group action will run all of the children's actions at the same time. We can also decide whether or not this should be done for a certain amount of loops or just indefinitely. Now we've talked about how nodes can run actions. Let's talk about how they can influence actions. The hasActions method allows us to check whether or not a node is currently running any actions, and remove all actions allows us to remove all actions. If we want to be more specific with actions that we assigned a key to, we can use action for key to request that action and then remove action for key to remove it. When removing an action, all of the changes that were made to the node up to this point will remain, but there won't be any more changes afterwards. Actions are being used quite frequently, so let's have a look at how this can possibly look.